when you've got 5 people working on one instrument with different degrees of experience of working on that part of the instrument, the quality is very, very varied. So it makes it quite a difficult decision to weigh up and balance all the aspects of each violin, one against the other, and come out with an overall winner. Now this year, you can blame the result on Maestro Harold, Gosling and Jarrett. That has nothing to do with it, nor the Robert. So we're excused this year. But nevertheless, as Pat said with the sound, you've got to make a decision. And between all 3 of them, they came to an agreement. So we have got an overall winner. But it was very close. I just want to say really well done this year at the fiddle race. If it wasn't for you guys being so enthusiastic and getting on with it, and also having lots of fun, making such a great atmosphere, it couldn't happen. So it was really fantastic. I was amazed as well how many of you could keep going towards the end with that backing music going on in the background. That's what you like? That's what you like. Okay. So, in awarding the prizes, I'm going to leave the winners to the end to build up the suspense a little bit and start off by awarding certificates and prizes to the runners-up.